everyone, this is Elizabeth, and we are back because, you know, I have all this stuff out, so I'm gonna go ahead and record another video. And I just love working with Crescent Creation. They have a lot of good product, super friendly. Definitely stop by their shop. They have some sales going on here and there, definitely on Wednesdays. They have Embellish Wednesdays where you can get select embellishments at 40% off. So that's super fun. But so this was our last card, and I literally still have all my stuff out because I'm hopping right into the next video to the next card. So I still got inky fingers from making this beauty. But we're going to use the same stuff, but we're going to do it in a one layer. So we're going to do everything together. I think it's going to be super cool. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is I do want a card panel to place so I can pop it up on my card base. And then this time what we're going to do is we're going to stamp and emboss this same colors. We're just going to do just a different kind of technique. Okay, we're going to do this part first, and then we're going to go over it with the Grand Greenery. So this is actually going to go super quick, but yeah, I think it'll be super fun, you guys. So we get that all back in there. We're going to grab that Versamark that we didn't put away. Okay, get it nice and gooey in there. And I don't need to go to the edges because it is a little bit bigger than my card. But we do want enough that everything's going to get stamped. And if you find that your Versamark isn't very gooey, it's not leaving a lot of stuff behind, they do make a re-inker. You can just pick that up and just re-ink it. We're going to go ahead and, I don't know, we're just gonna stick it down, guys. Oh, I forgot to dust this. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I have more paper, so if I messed it up, too bad. I've got more paper. Peel. You can see that on there. It looks pretty good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and clean this and grab our powder. Oh my goodness, you guys. I wish you could see the detail, okay? The little hash marks in there are just so beautiful. This, like, it's really noticeable on this one. Okay, that's what the stamp is. It's missing some pixels, okay? So it looks sketchy and watercolory. And that is just gorgeous. Got a little extra powder on there. Oops, dust that off. Now we're gonna grab that Grand Greenery, okay, and we're just gonna set it right over the top because remember, we'll be able to wipe the green off. Okay, and we're gonna do just like the last time. We're going to get the one color of green, a lighter color. We don't want to drown out our pretty purple. And then I'm just going to hold my stencil and just ink up all the goodness. This card, you guys, is so easy. And you can mass produce these. What I would do is stamp and emboss, you know, one or two at a time, because you don't want your Versamark to dry out in between. Get that powder on there and then heat set it. If you're using a MISTI or another stamping positioner, that will definitely make it go even quicker. Just stamp, stamp, stamp away. Are you ready? Oh, I'm so... look at that. Okay, we're gonna, before we wipe it up, we're gonna go around. Oh, let's do one more thing before we go around their edges. Let's clean up the card. I have a fingerprint right there, so I'm going to cut that side off. I do want this to be, actually, we're going to take a 1/2 inch off of each side. Okay. So we're going to take our 1/2 inch off, so that we have a nice big border when we put this on our card base, which I'm feeling a black card base. It's going to be really pretty with this. Okay, now we're going to ink these edges. Okay, so I'm going to really get some green on this and then hit my corners. Okay, get some green right in those corners. Get them nice and inky. Okay, and now pardon me, little frog in my throat. Not going back into the ink, just what we have here. I'm just gonna swipe it right along all the corners or edges, okay? Just like so. So we don't have any waste whatsoever. Go right down the center just to back off that. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, fabulous. Okay, now we're going to wipe it. So my rag is a little bit damp from previous cleaning. Okay, yours doesn't have to be. We're just going to go in and get any extra ink. Uh-oh, I didn't heat set that one. You see that right there? It's a boo-boo. What are boo-boos waiting for? Oh, I can't believe I did that. That's all right, though. We can fix that. We can put something over it, or Versamark has a pen. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of Versamark in there. I'm going to take a little bit of powder right in there. See if we can get it right back into the cup. And let's heat set that. Ta-da! Okay, we know it's a little boo-boo because we can recognize that shape, but when we send it off, they're not gonna know. Just gorgeous. Let me grab a card. Ooh, you know what? With that, it's gonna go. Oh, you guys, I lied. Oh, I don't know. Let me grab a black card base because I still think that might be extraordinary. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, look at. Sometimes black is just the way to go. And I did want to pop that up, which of course I did not bring that with me. One of these days I will be prepared. Let me tell you. Okay, so we're going to grab our big foam tape. And what we're going to do is I'm going to pick this lower section. I'm going to add some of this ribbony stuff. So what I want to do is just above where I'm going to add it, I'm going to add a little bit of foam tape. Get another piece up here. We don't need a ton. We just need a little. And then I'm going to grab a thinner piece to go at the bottom. Okay, just like so. And then our ribbon. And I just picked a gold, a black, and a purple. Luckily, I had a purple that kind of matched. And of course, we're using black, so that's a great way to bring that back in. So we just need enough that's going to wrap around to the back side. Okay. So we're going to snip that. Set those guys aside. And then what we're going to do is grab the really good stuff, you guys. We're going to grab some Scotch tape. Okay. And then we're just going to twist the end. Maybe. Twist that up. We're going to set it back here. We'll tape that down just like so. Then we're going to twist or braid. Just make it fun. Not too tight though. Okay. And I think it needs to go up just a little bit. That's okay, because we can adjust just like so. Get that really close right there. If I peel this back, it'll hold that tape right there. Okay. And then we're going to wrap it around. Oh no, let's do it like that. How fun is that? Ooh, I like that. Sometimes our ideas get changed. I don't like that. What do I like the purple. I like the purple. I don't like those two. They can go. We'll save those for another card. Let's get another string of this. Not so much this time. See what it looks like. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I do like the 3. Let's put 3 purple on there. Sometimes that happens. It's all right. No biggie. We will adapt. Okay. Get this here. Get some Scotch tape. Put these on the edge so I definitely have room to wrap them around. Apparently, I did not do a good job there. Let's try this again. Get you right there. There we go. Ooh, I like it. Yeah. Clean that off. And this is a top fold, so we're going to do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel just the top so that, no, I fibbed. Because this is going the other way. That's all right. Sometimes if you leave the backing on, you can wiggle it around a little before you stick it down. We're going to try our best to get it in one shot. Oh, look at it. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So, a stamp and a stencil, you can do multiple ways, and I like this one better, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, this one is still really fun, but I think this one just came out a little bit better. Sometimes you never know. Nope, not those. But let me know what you think in the comments. The description box will have a link to Crescent Creations, so you can pick up your watercolored blossoms and the Grand Greenery stencil. So lovely. And I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.